This conference will now be recorded.
Last class, we were talking about loops. We have seen that there are 5 types of loops available. What are those? Number 1, do while. Number 2, while. Number 3, for primitive data type. Number 4, for collection data type. Number 5, for SOQL data type. What is an SOQL? Salesforce Object Query Language. Why do you use SOQL? We use SOQL to retrieve Salesforce data from the database. Remember that. SOQL is similar to SQL, but it's not equal. SOQL is similar to SQL, but it's not same. In SOQL, you don't have inner join, outer join. There is no delete command, update command, alter table. These are not available. Those who know SQL, it's for them. All these commands are not available. In Salesforce, we use SOQL to pull data. That's it. To pull data. Now, next, put a heading called as SOSL. Put a heading called as SOSL. Salesforce Object Search Language. Salesforce Object Search Language. SOSL. Salesforce Object Search Language. Write down. Right? Language used to search. Language used to search data. Language used to search data in multiple fields of a table. Language used to search data in a multiple fields of a table. Multiple fields of a table is called SOSL. Is called SOSL. Right? You search in the multiple fields of a table is called SOSL. Right? Now write down this statement. Example, the structure. This is the structure. Result equals to list of lead. Exactly what you see in the red color, copy it. You have to by heart this. This is the way the SOSL is written. It's a one-line command, ante. This one line is called SOSL. List of lead, right, in a bracket, followed by a brick bracket, find, colon, search text, returning lead in the bracket fields. Towards the end, indexing, 0. Copy this first. Now, what is this? Let's understand. Suppose in a table, you want to search data. I want to search with a Gandhi keyword. A Gandhi can be in the first name, can be in the last name, can be in the city, can be in the state, can be in the, anywhere in the Gmail, right? It can be in the other places. How will you find? Right? If you use SOQL, select name, ID, phone from lead table where first name is equals to Gandhi or last name equals to Gandhi or title equals to Gandhi or billing city equals to Gandhi or mailing city equals to Gandhi or mailing city equals to Gandhi or mailing country equals to Gandhi or, right? How many hours will you write? If there are 100 fields, do you think that you'll write 100 hours? It's not possible. That is the reason we have a statement called as SOSL. The work of SOSL is to search the data and give you in the whole table. It can search more than one table. I want to search keyword Gandhi in contact table, in lead table, in account table. So in that case, you can use SOSL. Got it? Salesforce object search language. You want to search something. We use SOSL. Rupam, where it is used? Let's see. I log in. Rupam @11 Rupam @1117.com, password CRM1234 hash. Right? I log into my Salesforce. Right? You see that on the top here. This is a global search. Search and setup. You can write something. Ravi. All the Ravis will be found if I press enter. Right? It is searching where now? Right? In the setup, I will say no. Let me go to the app launcher. View all. I click on sales. Now if I search Ravi, R-A-V-I, it will give me everything. There is an account called as Ravi. There's a lead called as Ravi. There could be a passenger called as Ravi. See, Ravi Sharma, Ravi M. There is something in this ABC. See, Ravi Khanna. Right here, Ravi SSS contact. System has found Ravi everywhere. There's an opportunity called as Ravi. r@art.com. I don't know where is that. Ravi SS, there's opportunity. There's a contact. That means Ravi is there in opportunity. Ravi is there in lead. Ravi is there in passenger. System has searched all the tables. This is called as SOSL, Salesforce Object Search Language. Now, what we'll do is that we will go to the lead. Right? I click on new. I'm creating, right? Gandhi, Gandhi, right? First name Gandhi, last name, right? Gorak, Gorak Gandhi, Gandhi Gorak, something. Phone number 1111. Company ABC, 7 new. Remember that Gandhi was in the first name. Now I'm saying Sonia. Last name Gandhi, Gandhi, right? Company name DDD. Phone number 3333, 7 new. Now I'm creating one more Gandhi, Raj MOL, Raj Mol. Now I go and I say city equals to Gandhi. Company name CCCCCC, 7 new. Now I create one more, Manoj Kumar. Manoj, right? Anything, Kumar Manoj. Now I will say state equals to Gandhi. See, I'm giving Gandhi at different places. 7 new, right? Company name, right? DDDDD, 7 new. Next, right? Rai, right? MOLONY, Molony Rai, something, right? I'm giving country as Gandhi. Company, save. How many Gandhis are there? In my system, there are approximately some 4 to 5 Gandhis I created. Now, I want to pull all Gandhis. I want to search by Gandhi keyword. In such case, we use what? SOSL. SOSL. Debug. Here I will write. Keep watching. Right? First, list of what? List of lead. Because it will return more than one data. Whenever it's more than one data, you have to take list or set. List of lead. Gandhi list. I'm not creating a new lead. Unna lead I'm pulling. So I don't need to use a new keyword. New keyword will come when you are about to create a new data and enter in the database. But here the data is already entered in the database. So you don't need to use new keyword. Got the difference? We use new keyword whenever you are creating a new record, but I'm not creating a new record. The record already exists in the database, right? So what I will do, GL equals to GL equals to, what is that? Now we will start. This is where SOSL. List of lead. What the system is returning? My system is returning list of lead. Then in a brick bracket, what I have to write? You have to write find with a colon Gandhi. I'm showing you the structure, I'm doing it. FIND, find. It can be small also, no problem. Find what? Find what? Find Gandhi. Find what? It's a string, GNDHI. Find Gandhi. Next, what is that? Returning. Returning is a keyword. This is the keyword, right? Returning. Find Gandhi. Returning what? Returning lead. LEAD. Returning lead. In the bracket, which are the fields you want? You see, I want name, phone, fax. I want name. I want, right, phone. I want fax. I want company name. Whatever the fields you want, right? Returning this. I told you you can search it in more than one table. Now, the finally is there is an index. Finally, there is an index 0. As of now, there is only 1, but still you need to give an index 0. Returning account, then account will be in the 1. 0 will be lead, account will be 1, contact will be 2. Right? We'll learn this later, not now. Let's not get into tough. Perfect. Now I will say system.debug GL. System.debug GL. I say execute. Now you see, all the Gandhis will be returned. Every Gandhi will be returned. Sonia Gandhi, Gorak Gandhi, you can see. Let me make it big. Sonia Gandhi. Next lead, second lead, Gorak Gandhi, phone number 111. Next lead, Rai Manloni. Gandhi is somewhere in the city. Gandhi might be somewhere. Next, Manoj Kumar. See, Gandhi is in the city. Gandhi is in the country. Gandhi is in the state. Gandhi is in the, right, anywhere. See, system is returning. Raj Mol, Gandhi, somewhere it is there. These many 5 records have Gandhis. System has returned you 5 leads. This is called as SOSL, Salesforce Object Search Language. If you have to copy this as an example, copy it. This is called SOSL, Salesforce Object Search Language. Clear? Able to understand everyone? This is the structure. Yes. You want to search Gandhi in account, then what you will do? You will change this to account, change this to account, change this to account. In account, you have a name field, phone field, fax field. You'll get Gandhi in account. Yes, you can write multiple times. You can copy this. You can write anything a number of times. List of contacts.
Rupam?
Yes.
By using SOSL, we can only get the data from only one table or different types of
multiple table. We can get a data from a multiple table. That is the reason we have indexing. I can get the returning from lead, comma, account, comma, right, contact. The lead will be stored in 0, account data will be stored in 1, contact data will be stored in 2, passenger underscore C will be stored in 3. Right? There could be 10 Gandhis in passenger. There could be 8 Gandhis in lead. There could be, 3 Gandhis in contact. So you can return more, but we'll see later, not now.
Okay, so yeah. You have written list of leads. So it means it is bringing only from the lead object, or?
Yes, only from the lead object as of now.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. See, if there are any Gandhis anywhere, right, in account also it will bring now, right? Same way I can copy contact, first name, last name, email. I can change the field name. It will return me like that. Clear, everyone? No, then you can't know. Then you have to go by loop. From here you can't know. It will only return the data. It will not tell you in which field, because there are 20 Gandhis are there, and there could be in 20 different fields. So for that you have to find, right? You have to write program in a loop. Take one record, find where is Gandhi, pull the data. So it will return only the record, not the field where the data is there. Clear? Right? SOSL, everyone clear? Now, write down the next one. Next one, right? I'm not going in a sequence. Remember that, right? Exceptional statement. Next, write down exceptional statement. I'm going in the importance order, whichever is important. Exceptional statement. Statement used. Statement used. Statement used to catch error. Statement used to catch error, right, during disruption of Apex code. Statement used to catch error during disruption of Apex code. During disruption of Apex code, and to take corrective action. And to take corrective action is called, and to take corrective action is called exceptional statement. Is called exceptional statement. Also known as try-catch statements. Also known as try-catch statement. Try-catch statement. Also known as try-catch. Try-catch statement. Also known as try-catch statement. Right? Perfect. Now, write down the structure. Copy the structure. This is how the structure looks. This is how the structure looks. This is not the class. Try-catch statement. Try-catch statement. Right. Now, what is a try-catch statement? Let's understand. Right? Suppose you are writing a program and the program encounters an error, not the program. It is not the mistake of the program, it is the mistake of the data that is causing a problem. For example, you're creating an account. For creating account, what is compulsory? Name is compulsory. Other than name, you give everything. Then what will happen? It'll give error. Error by whom? Error by whom? Error by the program or by the data? Error by the data. My program is correct. If you give name, Watch. If you give name, if you give the name, then program will execute. But if you don't give the name, then program will fail. So problem is not with my program. The problem is with the data. Ardhamavutunda leda? I want to create contact. What is compulsory? Last name compulsory. I gave first name, I gave fax, I gave email. I want to save, I want to execute a program. What will happen now? I'll get an error. Error on what? Data, not on the program. The program is absolutely fine because there is a validation rule saying that last name is mandate. You didn't give the mandate. That is the reason the program returned an error, right? And it is not a program error. It is error from the data. Such type of error you can catch. Try-catch statement. What is a try-catch statement? The word try-catch statement is that try. Try means do the work. While doing the work, if there is any error, then catch it. After catching what? After catching, you decide, now what should I do? Send an email. No. Show me on the screen the error. No. Try again. Try again to insert. Again, you got an error, right? So, in a simple word, a try-catch statement captures the data error, not the program error. Remember that. What does a try-catch statement does? Try-catch statement try to execute a piece of program. If the piece of program has a problem, then catch will catch it. After the catch catches, then you should say next what? And actually there is one more here. Finally, there is an extension to it. There is an extension to it. Finally, namaskaram, thank you, come out. Right? Finally means this is the statement at the end of this whole story will get executed. Last, right? Ardhamavutunda everyone, able to understand? Now, let me show you an example. This is the try-catch statement. This is how the structure looks. Everyone has to by heart this structure, right? There is no way you have to do innovation here. This is a structure. A means A. You cannot say A equals to O. You cannot say. This is the way it is pronounced and this is the way you have to use it. That's it, right? Apple ni, why do you call it APPLE apple? Why don't we call it opal? You cannot. That is the way it has been pronounced and that is the way it's written. Here also the structure remains this. You can put your innovation inside try. You can put your innovations inside catch. You can put your innovation inside finally. Finally is not mandate. Avsaram ledu finally. Most of the program will have try catch, try catch, try catch. But even if you see finally, don't get confused. Finally means 100% it will get executed. Now let's understand this with an example. As I told you, to insert a contact, what is required? What is required? Last name is required. So what I will do, contact C equals to new contact. I'm creating a new contact, right? New contact. I will say C dot first name. C dot first name equals to, right? Sharma, our official names, SHARMA. First name, no. Sharma is not a first name. First name will be Mohit. Rohit or Mohit? MOHIT. Mohit. Right? Last. Now I'm not giving the last name. You remember that last name is compulsory. I'm saying that C dot email equals to mohit@gmail.com. Right? Next, I'm saying C dot, right? Phone equals to 22222. Now I will say try to insert C. Insert C. Do you think the C will be inserted? No. C cannot be inserted. It will result into an error. Immediately catch will catch it. All the error will be stored where? In E. In E the error will be stored. Now what do you want to do? Tell me. Inside this, again you can write try catch. Again you can write try catch, like a if inside, if inside, if inside, if. Suppose there's an error, again try. That gives error, again try. So system will try to insert 3 times, but you know that 3 times it will give error. There is no meaning writing another try statement here. So what do you want to do? You want to display on the screen? No. Immediately create a case. Suppose you are not able to create a contact, immediately create a case stating that cannot create contact. Ardhamautunda? So what I will do? In the catch, I will say case CS equals to new case. In the catch, I am writing a case will be created only when there is error. Otherwise, case will not get created. Right? CS dot, right? Subject. CS dot subject is equals to, right? Contacts creation failed. Contact creation failed, right? Next, CS dot, right? Description. CS dot description equals to, what is that? I will say, right? The error message is plus E. Actually, E dot get message. There is a, let me see whether it works or not. E, otherwise we'll put E dot get message. GET get, right? Let me see, EXEPTION exception dot get message. This is the one. What is the exception here? E. So E dot get message. Get the message and add my message and put it in where? Description. Then I will say what? Insert CS. Ardhamautunda? Everyone in the class able to understand? I am trying to insert a contact. Try to insert a contact. If the contact insertion fail, then a case will be created. This case, I can put inside try catch. Again, try. What is the structure? Catch. Ardhamautunda leda? Here, EXEPTION exception. Already E is used. I will say E1. Right? Try to what? Try to insert a case. If you cannot insert a case, then I will say system.debug. All failed. Neither the contact was inserted. Even I tried to create a case because contact was not able to insert. Because contact vellaledu, anduke I was trying to create a case kuda vellaledu. It also didn't go through. Finally, thank you. Ardhamautunda leda? Yes or no? You can write try catch inside a catch. You can write try catch inside a try also. Right? N number of times. The way I showed you, it can be written. Loop inside a loop can be written. If inside if can be written. Same thing here. Ardhamautunda? Now if I give you last name, C dot last name equals to Varma. Now what will happen? Do you think system will come to the exception? No, because last name is there. It will insert. It will never come to this line. This whole piece will be gone. It will never get executed. Try to insert. Only if there is error, then only it will come to the catch. Now it's execute. Unless until now you go ahead and see a contact got created. Right? A contact called as Mohit Varma got created. Now this time we will make an error. Right? We will make an error. Debug. Now I am not giving the last name. My name is Rohit. Now what will happen? System will try to insert a contact. It will fail. Immediately will go to the exception. Exception will try to insert a case, and this time we will have success. Right? For a case, what is mandate? What is mandate? Case? Case origin.
Yes.
Then will it go in error? Yes or no?
Yes.
Really? ఇదేనా నేర్చుకునేది? Seriously? It will give an error? It will not. To create a case origin is must. You are correct. ikkada varaku you are correct. I am not giving a case origin because origin, let me see, right? Case origin, right? It will give error 100%. You are correct. It will give an error, right? I didn't use case origin, so this will also will give error. Then where it will go? What in the screen I should get? All failed. Contact failed. Case also failed now. In this case, execute. Now let's go ahead and see. In the debug, you should get all failed, right? Debug. Oop. What happened? No. What I gave, let us check it out, right? System.debug, right? Let us see case got inserted or not.
All failed.
Case got inserted. See, even though I didn't give origin, that is the reason I said, right? See, a case got inserted, right? The reason is that, let me go ahead. Rupam, case origin is not there. Case origin is not there. But when you create a case from here, new, you click save, it gives an error. What is that? Case origin. Actually, see, this field is not a mandate in the field. It is made mandate on the page. Ardham galeda? Perfect. Now let me explain you this. అందుకే అన్నాను అవునా, I'm creating a Visualforce page. Everyone knows it. N, some Visualforce page. Apex page. Standard controller equals to ACCOUNT account. I'm connecting to which table? Apex form. Apex form. Inside that, I'm saying Apex page block. Inside the page block, I'm saying Apex page block section. Perfect. Inside that, I'm taking Apex INPUT field. Value equals to, what is the value? Table name dot field name. Next. Next. Field phone. Next. Facts. Tell me what is mandate. Name is mandate. As soon as I, okay, let it come, let it save. Saving. Let it completely save first. Right? Right. Now I click on preview. Where the star mark will be? Right? On the name, it's showing star mark or red because name is compulsory. Phone is compulsory? No. Now you see what I do. I will say required equals to true. Control S. Now I go ahead and refresh. What it's showing? Phone is? But tell me, phone is mandate for creating an account. Is it phone is required? Wait, for this particular page, if anybody sees this, he will feel that phone is required. Sir, chudandi, for name has red mark, phone has red mark. But actually, While creating these fields, name was checked with required. Phone was not checked with required. But in the page I made, phone as mandate. I can make fax as mandate. Is it fax as mandate? No. Required equals to true. Now you go ahead and refresh the page. Fax also got mandate. See? But in reality, is it fax mandate? No. Only name is mandate. So the same thing is happening where in case. Actually, origin is not a mandate. Origin is not a mandate. It was forcefully made mandate. At a field level, origin was not a mandate. At a display level, it was made mandate. Here, at a field level, phone is not mandate. Fax is not mandate. But at a display level, it was made mandate. Able to understand? Same thing here. In the case, at a display level, it is mandate. That is the reason, see, contact creation failed. Now you see, error message in insert is insert field, required field missing last name. Can you see it came to where? To my description, right? As soon as the contact creation failed, immediately system created what? A case. If the case creation would have failed, then I would have got what? I would have got this all failed. But the case got created now. That is the reason system didn't came to the exception. Ardhamainda? Everyone, yes or no? Yes, sir, no, sir.
Where we can see that it is making as mandate, sir.
You have to go ahead and that is in lightning programming, you will see.
Okay.
Because these are lightning form. The way the Visualforce form. Now, if you deploy this, which one? The page that I was showing you, if you deploy that page, where you can see, can you see? As a user, you cannot see the program. Yes or no? Finally, if you remember that, after you create a Visualforce page, we deploy the Visualforce page, right? We deploy the Visualforce page. For example, account information, there's a Visualforce page I created. This is the page I created, right? I made this phone as mandate, required true. Then what will happen? It will show as star mark, red mark like this. See, the way account is showing, phone will show, fax will show. Where can I see? Can you see the program?
No.
End user cannot see the program. Similarly, currently this fax, this page, which page? Service, right? Case, new. You can't see the program of this page. You can't see the program of this page. This page has been programmed using Lightning Aura development. So you need to learn Aura. During the Aura classes, you will see. You can go ahead and you can change this page. You can put your page. At a field level, case origin is not mandate, but at a page level, they have made it mandate. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no, everyone? So this is called try-catch statement. Everybody clear? Right? Chalo. Now you guys write a program. Write a program. Write a program to create. Write a program to create lead. Write a program to create lead, right? On exception, create contacts. On exception, create contact. Now you do it. On exception, create contact. Let me see how you write. Write a program to create lead. On exception, create contact. So you are not able to create lead, then create contact. Start thinking and start writing. Start thinking, start writing. Structure is there. Start thinking and start writing. Think and write. You need little bit thinking. Simple actually. Over. What are the things that you need in lead to create? Last name and perfect. You just need last name and company name. That's it. Inkem avasam ledu. Right? So now, do you want me to write this? Yes, no. Lead L equals to new lead. Lead L equals to new lead. L dot last name equals to, right, Sham, Shama, Shamala, last name. L dot first name equals to, right, Shamala, right, Sudhir. La first name is Sudhir, Sudhir Shamala, something, right. L dot phone is equals to, right, 2222. L dot email equals to shamla@sudhir.com. This is my lead. Now I will say try. Try what? Try to insert L. Obviously, this will give an error because company name is not there. You know that to create a lead, company's mandate. Annichano, except company. So obviously, if you're trying to insert L, it will give an error. Who will catch it? Right? Catch. Catch will be, this is a structure. Exception. Exception E. Mostly will give E. You can give A, B, C, R, anything. That's a variable. Ante. Right? This is a variable. Don't think it's a keyword. You can give R. You can give your name. Mostly in real time, you'll see E. That's the reason I'm also using E. You can change it to A, B, C, D, anything. It will store what? It will store the error. On error, what I have to do? Right? CONTACT contact. I didn't give you till here, it's easy. Now problem will start. Not a problem. Little bit innovation. Contact C equals to new contacts. C dot first name is equals to what? Already the name is there. Call Sudhir. Then you should say L dot first name. You have to take from the lead. I'm not again giving Sudhir here. Already L dot for last first name the Sudhir undi. Why should I write Sudhir here? Right? This is what I was expecting from you. C dot last name is equals to L dot last name. Next, C dot email, C ante contact, contact dot email equals to lead dot email. Next, C dot phone is equals to L dot phone. Already L dot phone equals to this. Now I will say insert C. Acha, pony, that's okay. Ye data undi kada man daggara. Fine. Fix. Able to understand? Yes or no? Here I am not giving equals to quote. Then direct into the map chestunanu. Already first time declare chesanu. So why should I again write Shamala, Sudhir, s@s.com in the phone 22222? Enduku inko sir rayale? Akkada undi kada paina. Paina nunchi teeskochu kada. We can take it from the top. Just I'm mapping to the fields and I'm inserting it. Clear, guys? Able to understand? Yes or no? This
Yes,
also
sir.
you can put inside. Adi kuda try catch lo put pettukochu. Control X. Try. Try what? Try to insert contact. See? If you fail, right? Suppose last name equals to idicher, null. Then what will happen? Lead will fail because lead require account as company as well as last name. Both are not there. It will fail. It will come to the catch statement. In the catch, try. In the try, last name will be null. Again, this will fail. Then it will go to the exception. Exception. E. What I'm doing? Catch. Exception. E1. Paina E in the E1. Here, again you can say, try to create a case. If that fails, then put us on the screen. Sorry, I cannot do anything. Ardhamautunda? You can write try catch anywhere, wherever you want. Now I will say catch. Catch what? System.debug. System.debug. All failed. All failed. Ardhamainda? Yes or no? Now this is a story. Right? What will I get? I execute this. Execute this. Execute highlighted. Debug. Right? Debug. See? All failed. It tried to create a lead. It was unable to create a lead. It went to an exception. Error. In the error, we tried to create a contact. There also it failed because name was null. Then it came to again to exception. In the exception, it's showing all failed. Ardhamainda? Now I give the last name. Right? Oh, all failed. Now I give a last name. What is the last name? SHYAMALA, Shamala. What will happen? Is it a lead will be created? No, because lead requires company. Company ledu. It will try to insert lead. It will fail. It will go to the catch. In the catch, again there is a try. It will try to insert. This time it will be able to insert contact. Because contact last name is required. Last name Shamla is there. It will insert. It will never come to catch. Catch the radu. Last time, because last name was not there, it came to the catch. Ardhamainda? The whole execution pattern. I say execute highlighted. Now you will see that. Double click on the. You will not get all failed. I'm opening it. There is nothing. See, blank. Now you go ahead and see contact. There should be a contact called as Shamala. Shamala Sudhir. Actually, we were about to create a lead, but because there was no company given, system failed to create a lead. Then we try to create a contact. If it failed to create a contact, then I can try to create a case. If I fail to create a case, then I will say all fail. You can do try catch, insert try catch, insert try catch, insert try catch. Ardhamautunda? This is called as try catch statement. I am going in priority wise. Whatever is important in the real time, I'm not following the sequence of language construct. You see that I jumped to 6 loop. From 6, I came to 11 because these are important. You should very much clear because it's required in real time. Because in real time, you don't know employee will fill the data or not. There is no guarantee. You told him, but he didn't fill. You can send an email here. I will show you how to write email program. Right? Clear now? Yes, everyone? Perfect. This is called try catch. Right? Next, write down. Next statement.
Sir, why are we taking different objects, sir?
Why are we taking?
Different objects. Can we take same objects like
Yes,
two
you
leads?
can. You can. Just for showing purpose, I have to take one example, right?
Yeah.
That is the reason I've taken this example.
Okay.
Perfect. Next, it is to make you understand that inside a try catch, again I write a try catch, again inside a try catch, again I write a try catch. Otherwise, if I don't take an example, if I want to insert in the same table, what will happen? First time only it got an error. Again you are trying to insert, second time also you'll get an error. Third time also it will get error. So there is no meaning you trying in the same table for 2 times, 3 times. It's a foolishness. It's better that you try in some other table. Just to show you an example, if you want to try in the same table, try it. Right? Insert L, try. Remove this, insert L. If there's an error, again try. Try. Catch. Here also insert L. Come on. Any meaning? You tell me. Company name
Insert
is not
company,
there.
sir.
Right? Company
Insert
name is
company.
not there. Sorry? Company name is
Insert
not there.
company in the next time.
So insert L. It will fail. Then it will try. A catch will catch it. Again it will try to insert L. Again it will fail. Again a catch will catch it. Again it will try to insert L. Finally you have to say something saying that sorry, I cannot. Got it?
Yeah, got
Anybody
it.
has any questions? I'm placing it back to its original status.
Rupam, can you please go to the first program? I don't have any questions. I just want to take a pic.
Sure. First program is here. 1 minute. Let me try to put them in all in one place. This is your first program.
Okay, Rupam. Thank you.
This is the second program. But here you have to take twice. Right?
I have written this program. Yeah.
Perfect. Done? Clear? Perfect. Now, the next one. Write down transactional control. Transactional control. Write down. Right? Statement that creates save point. Statement that creates save point. Statement that creates save point of a data. Statement that creates save point of a data participating in the transaction. Statement that creates save point of a data participating in a transaction for a possible rollback. Is called transactional control statement. is called transactional control statement. For a possible rollback is called transactional control statement. Transactional control statement. What is a transactional control statement? Right? A statement that takes backup. Backup of what? Of a data. Which data? Complete table? No. Only the data which is participating in the transaction. So don't think that it will take a backup of the complete table which contain million data. No. In my program, I pulled only 7 data. System will take the backup of 7. So that during the code, suppose somewhere something went wrong, immediately you can go back to its original status. Such type of statements are called as transactional control statement. Right? To create save point, write down. To create save point. To create save point, write down this in the first red. Save point SP equals to database.set save point. Save point SP equals to database.set save point. Database.set save point. Right? Next, to restore. To restore. To restore. Whenever you want to restore, then database.rollback SP. The next red. Database.rollback. Clear? Now let's understand. What is this story? Control A, right? Delete, right? ACCOUNT, account A. Rupam, why are you only taking account, contact? Because it's easy to get the field name. If I take passenger, then I have to go to the table, passenger underscore first underscore name underscore C. See, otherwise there is no difference between account and a passenger table. Custom table, system table has same treatment. It is only that account table fields we know. Passenger table fields, do you know? We don't know the field names. You have to go to the object manager, find the field name, have to put. That is a waste of time. That is the reason I'm taking account. Otherwise, I would have taken passenger underscore CP equals to new passenger. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no? Account A equals to new account. ACCOUNT equals to new account. A dot name equals to Punjab National Bank. Right? A dot industry equals to banking. A dot phone equals to 040-234567. A dot fax equals to 040-2333333. Next, A dot industry, oh it's done, no? A dot rating equals to hot. INSCRT, insert A. What I'm doing? I'm trying to create an account. Will it go through? Yes, because name is required, name is there. Right? Now I will take a backup. Backup of what? Not the whole account table, only the backup of this data. I will say, right, save point. Save point. Save point is a keyword. You cannot replace with my point, your point. No. It is word. It is dictionary word. That's it. You have to use. Accident means accident. Ante. Word. You cannot replace with something else. So this is the keyword. Save point. Now you give my SP. My save point. Mostly people use SP. SP means save point. But that is a variable. Equals to database dot set save point. What this step has done? It immediately took a photo. Click. A photo of what? Photo of this. Photo of this. Right? Now, to make you understand, because it will happen in a fraction of seconds, manam ikkada click chesi velledaka things will be gone. That is the reason I'll show you step by step. Don't get confused. If I run this piece of command, what will happen? Do you want me to execute this? Yes or no? Not required, because this will automatically create an account called Punjab National Bank. If I execute it, if I go and check an account, I should be able to see Punjab National Bank with a phone number 2333. In the place of Punjab National Bank, I give, right? Citibank. If I run this command, what will happen? Citibank will be created. I don't want to run. You know that. Now I took a save point. After taking save point, I'm saying a dot phone. A dot phone. A dot phone equals to 040277777. A dot fax is equals to 04028888888. And then I'm saying update A. If I run this whole command, what will happen now? First, an account will be created called Citibank with a phone number called as 234567. Later, the phone number and fax number will be updated. That means if I click on execute or execute highlighted anything, right? When I go here, I'll be able to see with Citibank with 2777. Actually, it was not created with 2777. It was actually created with what? It was created with 234567. It was later updated to 777. Now, in between, can you see I took a backup? I want to restore the backup. Then I decided, after updating, I decided, ledu. I want to roll back. Then what is the command? Database dot rollback. Rollback what? Where is the system save point? My system save point is SP. Now what will happen? Right? Again, I'm executing the command. So what will happen? First, a bank will be created called Citibank with a phone number 234567. Then system will go ahead and insert it. After insertion, system will take a photo, right? After taking photo, I'm changing the phone number. And then I'm saying, go ahead and make the change. Already in the database, the phone number has changed. You can see that. Then after the change is over, I decided to go back. That means if I run this command, phone number will be inserted with this, change to this, and again roll back to 234567. So if I execute it now, you will be able to see another Citibank account coming up with a phone number 234567. Actually, it inserted with 234567, changed to 277777, and then it rolled back to again 234567. It went back. This is what the system is doing. You took a save point, then you rolled back. This data is lost, overwritten. Ardhamautunda leda everyone? Yes or no? Whenever you want to take a save point, where you can use with a try catch. Try to update. If you fail, then roll back to the original status. You can use this with a try catch statement. You can use this with a try catch statement. Able to
Sir,
understand?
instead of rollback, we can simply delete the update, no?
How can you delete the update? Tell me. Already the data is committed. How can you delete update? How can you delete update? You have already overwritten the data. The data is lost.
Okay.
Right? I come here, I open this account called as Asian Games, right? I click on details, right? I scroll down and I change the phone number to 7777. By the name 777. That is the problem. I come here, I change the phone number to 777 and I click on save. Phone. Now tell me, how can you go back to the original phone number? How can you roll back? Do you remember what was the earlier phone number? I don't even remember. Can you delete? What do you mean by delete? Means deleting the account? No. You can't delete 777. If you delete 777, now 777 is lost. Unna number kuda poyindi, idi kuda poyindi, anni poyindi. Now nobody remember what was the first number, what was the second number, unless until you go and activate field tracking. But you cannot restore from field tracking. Field tracking is only for tracking, not for restoration. Right? So to restore, these are the points that you need to remember. If you want to write the example and keep it. Your wish. Program is there on the screen. Want to take a photograph? Take a photograph. It's your wish. I don't mind. Whatever you do in the class. Pro is also there, but we don't use. In real time, try catch is the most widely. Everywhere you will say try catch.
Rupam.
Yes.
Okay, where did we get SP from? Like we are saving all the account year data into SP?
It is stored. It is not all account data. Again, I'm telling you.
I mean this particular account data.
Only this particular account which is participating in the transaction. Current transaction, only Citibank is participating. It will not take a backup of your Punjab National Bank, Amazon Worldwide. No. This will take the backup in a temporary memory. In the temporary database, it will create a hash table, temp hash table. In that table, it will store. As soon as the execution is over, the table also will be deleted. After that, you cannot find the table also. Till the time this program is getting executed, only till time the table will be there. This is an SP table. Table name is SP table. In that, you are storing the data. As soon as the transaction is over, table gets deleted, everything gets deleted. Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Perfect. Shall we go to the next one? Yes. Perfect. Next one. Locking statement. Now I'm going up. Tomorrow we will complete your language construct. As I told you, we will start your OOPS. Right? Now the real programming will start. These are all the basic. Right? If there's error, then you have to use try catch. If you want to take a backup of the data that is participating, then you have to use a transaction control. You want to do something in circle, then you have to use loop. You have to check a condition, then you have to use if else. Right? You want to store more than one data, then you have to take list. You want to store only one data, then take primitive. Ardhamautunda, whole story. These are the basic of your programming. All these basics will complete tomorrow, and we will jump to core programming of OOPS. What is a class? What is a method? What is a void? What is non-void? What is static? What is non-static? Right? what is public, what is global, all these things we'll start understanding, right? People who know what is a class. In my class, you will first time you will understand what exactly is a class. ఈ రోజు వరకు class method you might have seen, you might have written, but మీకు అడిగితే what is method అంటే you don't know. I can give you a guarantee. In my class 0 onwards I'll start. Right? Perfect. Now write down locking statement. Locking statement. Statement that locks record. Statement that locks record. Statement that locks record to prevent any update or race condition. Statement that locks record. Statement that locks record, right, for any updation or a race condition, right, is called locking statement. For any statement that blocks record from any updation or race condition. Statement that blocks records from any updation or race condition. Race condition. RAC, race, urkatam. Race condition is called locking statement. Is called locking statement. Right? Now, have you booked bus ticket anytime? Anyone? Red bus, Abhi bus. You select the bus ticket, seat, and then you go to the payment gateway. You pay the amount. You look for your card. It says 15 minutes left. Your transaction has to be completed within 8 minutes. 8 minutes, 59 seconds, 58 seconds, 56 seconds, 6 minutes, 5 minutes. You're still searching your card. Amma dorkindi. Got the card. You enter the card details. You click next. OTP comes. You inka raledu. You click on resend OTP. Again, OTP comes. Now, during this time, your seat is reserved. Nobody else can book that seat because you are already in the process of booking that seat. Book my show ticket. You select to seat, you go to the payment gateway, you come back, there is a 5 minutes gap. Don't you think that in 5 minutes somebody else is also trying to book the seat? But your seats are reserved. If the transaction failed, then the seat will be open again. If it passes, then the seat will be allocated to you. That means till the time the transaction is going on, the data, the 2 seat is blocked. Nobody can update that seat. Nobody can do anything with that seat. But in Indian Railway, does it happen like that? No. You see available 14. Abba, 14 undi kada. You fill the name. Ravi Kumar, Sham Kumar, male, age 22, 23. Click next. Go to the payment gateway. Pay. Come. Waiting list 7. Are you saw available 14. By the time you went to the payment gate, when you came back, waiting list 7. Was your seat reserved for you? No, because there is no blocking statement. In Indian Railways, there is no blocking, there is no locking statements. But in Abhi bus, Red bus, Book My Show, there is a locking statement. They are locking that seat for you. What is a locking statement? A statement that blocks a record. Nobody can touch that. Only this transaction, only this program can touch. Race condition. Somebody else also writing a program, right, to update. No, race is going on. Everybody wants that seat only. Corner seat in the movie theater, last top corner. Ade gavale. Endukante there is no light there. So they want that seat, right? Everybody is trying to book this. So there is a race going on. But system will give it to the first person who initiated the process. If it fails, then immediately go to the second person. This is called as locking statement, where you lock the record, right? And write down the keyword use is for update. For update is the keyword. What is the keyword? For update is the keyword. 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 Clear now? Right? Now, what does that mean? Let's understand. Right? I'm removing everything. Boom. Account A equals to select ID, comma, name, comma, phone, comma, fax from ACCOUNT account where name is equals to Amazon worldwide. Where name equals to Amazon worldwide. Where name is equals to Control C, where name equals to Amazon worldwide. How many Amazon worldwide are there? 10 Amazon worldwide are there. All the 10 will be stored in A. Now I want to change the phone number. I want to change each phone number of each Amazon. How can I do that? Can I directly say A.phone? No, because A is not a single record. It is a list of records. Then you have to use for statement. For. Yesterday we have learned that. For what? For account. Each account is to A. From A, take one by one. Now I will say EA.phone is equals to 78787878. EA dot name equals to AWS. I'm changing now the name. I will say update EA. Now I'm running this program. Let's assume that there are 10 lakh users there in my system. Don't you think at the same time, at the same second, there could be someone somewhere from the other corner of the earth also double clicked on the Amazon, is making some changes? Now I have to block nobody should touch this Amazon worldwide because I'm making a change. I want to stop others for making change. In that case, I will use a command called as for update. Whenever you use a command for update, till the time there are, let's assume 100 Amazons are there. Till the time the 100 Amazon phone number and name is changed, no one else can touch the record. If somebody double clicks also, it will be rotating. Then it's a please try later. Somebody clicks save. Saving failed because you have blocked the record. Till when? Till the time this program executes. I say execute. 1, 2, loop must, what happened? For account EA, any problem? What was the error? Loop must iterated over a collection account.
Rupam, the first line, it might be list of account, right?
Yeah, that's correct. It is not a one account. List of account. List of account A. Now it will execute. Right? Nothing selected. Execute. 1, 2. For 2 seconds, the record was locked. Execution over, record is released. As soon as the execution is over, again the record is released for others to update. At 2 second kosam, nobody can either make a change to that record. This is called as, next time when you come, you will see AWS, and the phone number has changed. Till the time I'm changing this Amazon worldwide to these changes I'm making, till that time nobody can make the change unless the program get executed. We call them as locking statement. Ardhamainda? What is the keyword? Locking statement can be used only in SOQL. That's it. You cannot use in the program anywhere. Only in the SOQL you have to use it for update. Last for update. Ante. Clear now?
Rupam, just
Yes.
one question. So, like whatever we have selected here, only those things we can update inside
Yes,
this
madam.
for loop.
Yes. And only those will be locked. It's not that all the accounts will be locked. Punjab National Bank, Citibank is not locked.
Okay.
Whichever
got it.
takes participation in the transaction, only those records will be blocked. Right? You are booking 2 corner seat, the whole seat will be not be blocked. As simple as that. Right? Perfect. For update, whenever you see for update, you have to understand that the seat is locked, the data is locked. Right? Next. It is
Rupam, can you please open that example?
locked during the program only. No, during writing the program you cannot lock. Sorry. You are taking 5 hours to write a program, 5 hours record will lock. Come on, man. You're thinking, aim rale. Come on. Right? How can you block with while writing a program? Right? Perfect. Done. Picture done. Photograph done. Right? Next. Write down the next one. Now all small things. All small things. Now I'm going to the third one. Second one. Right? Variable. Amma. Tomorrow if I do DML, language construct will be over. Right? Guys, able to understand yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Write down variable. What is a variable? Any unfixed value, any unfixed value used in Apex code is called variable. Any unfixed value used in Apex code is called variable. Any unfixed values used in Apex code is called variable. Everyone knows what is a variable? Unfixed value. The value is not fixed. For example, integer I equals to 10, integer length equals to 22, string name equals to Hyderabad. Is it I will be always 10? No, you can change the I anywhere. Ardhamautunda leda. Right? Let me first show you. String name equals to Rupam. Do you think that throughout the programming name will be Rupam only? I'll say system.debug. System.debug name. What will I get on the screen? Now I'm saying integer L equals to 22. Now I say system.debug name. What will I get? I'll get Rupam. Now I say name equals to right? Name equals to Ravi. Now I say system.debug name. What will I get? I will get Rupam or Ravi? I will get Rupam or Ravi?
Ravi.
Rupam. What will I get?
Ravi. There will
What?
be an error.
This story.
Same
Okay.
variable defined twice. So there will be an
TIML decimal TMP temperature equals to 39.62. System.debug name. Then I say name equals to Sham. System.debug name. Tell me how many system.debugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In first system.debug, what will I get?
Rupam.
Rupam.
Second system.debug, what will I get?
Rupam.
Rupam.
Third system.debug, what will I get?
Rupam.
Ravi.
So
Ravi.
there will be an
Rupam
error,
is
no?
now
There is no
thrown
string
out.
defined.
Rupam. String can hold
Right?
only
Define
value.
string.
Why? Already it's defined. No. How many
Yeah,
times
string
you'll
can hold only one value.
once a container is created, I did not to create one more container again. In that container, I have put Rupam. I
Okay.
asked the system, show me the container. It showed Rupam, line number. Then I declared one more container, L. In that I put 22. Mute please, online. I declared one more container called L, Inkoka Bagona. In that I have put 22. Right? So now there are two Bagonas. There are two glasses. In one there is a Rupam, in another there is a 22. Then again I ask the system, show me the name glass. Again it will show me what? Rupam only. Second time also it will show Rupam. Then I don't need to create one more container. Same container, same glass. I put Ravi. Then automatically that glass can contain only one data I told you. Either it should take Rupam or it should take Ravi. It cannot take both. It is not a list. List will take more than one data. Primitive data type take only one. Okkate ante okkate ante. Either Rupam has to be there or Ravi has to be there. Now that Rupam is overwritten with Ravi, the glass, I declared the glass. While declaration, I gave Rupam. Then I change, right? I change that glass value to Ravi. Here I will get Ravi. Then I created one more class called temp. In that I have put 39.65. Then I asked, show me that glass name. It will show Ravi. Then you change the glass value to, then I said glass, put Sham in that. Now can it take Rupam and Ravi? No, it can take only one data. You gave a command to the glass to store what? Sham. It threw the milk out, it put the water inside it. Whenever now you debug, it will give water only. Then you say store thumbs up, then it will throw the water out, it will put thumbs up in it. Show me the glass, you will be able to see thumbs up. Then you said glass equals to, right, equals to petrol. Next time, show me the glass, it will show petrol only because it threw the thumbs up out, it put the petrol. At any given time, the glass can store only one data. Now, if I say system.debug here, I will get what? Sham. Same glass. Every time I'm storing different data. This is called variable. The name is not fixed. Same way, here I will say length equals to 35. System.debug L. What will I get? I will get 35. I will not get 22. 22 is available till here. In between, anywhere you give Control C, here you give. Here, line number 15, what I will get? 22, because the value is not yet changed. At line number 25, I'm changing the value of the L glass with 25. Going forward, the glass will hold only 25. It will throw the 22 out. Ardhamautunda. Yes, sir. Imagine, think
Yes.
how these variables are nothing but these are glasses. List are big bagona. Whenever you want to store more than one data, you have to use list or set. Whenever it's a single data, you have to use primitive data like integer, string. Now, if I say debug, execute, see, 2 time Rupam, 2 time Ravi, 1 time Sham. 2 time Rupam, 2 time Ravi, 1 time Sham, 1 time 22, next time 35. The data, the container is not fixed. Inside that container, the data is not fixed. We call them as variable. We call them as variable. The data that changes again. Ardhamautunda? The container that will change the data, we call them as such containers as variable containers. Right? Unfixed values. Perfect. Now write constant. Write, oh, sorry. Keep half page gap. I will come to this type of variables: local variable, instance variable, class variable. Keep a half page gap. Now only keep a half page gap. We will come there day after tomorrow, or we'll come here. Now write constant, 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 constant. Any fixed value used in Apex code is called constant. Any fixed value used in Apex code, any fixed value used in Apex code is called constant. Any fixed value used in Apex code is called constant. Is called constant. Right? Full stop. Constant is defined by a keyword final. Constant is defined by a keyword final. Right? Now, keyword final, final, final. I don't want anybody to change the name. I declared a container called name. In that container, I put Rupam. I want nobody should change the value of this container. You cannot throw Rupam out of it. A class vaadate Rupam tote vaadale. If you want to use that class, you have to use only with Rupam. You cannot take that class, throw Rupam out, put Ravi, do some work, throw Ravi out, put Sham, then do some work, then throw Sham. No. This is not a class where you can put the data in and out. I want to stop in and out. In that case, you will just say final. Final string name. Final string name. The word final means fixed. That means name is Rupam and you cannot change anywhere. I will get error where? Here. Because here you are trying to change the name to what? Ravi. I will get at line number 7 one error will come as soon as I say execute. Execute. Line number 7. See, final variable already initialized. No. Now I remove line number 7. Now I will get an error where? At line number 13 I'll get an error. Because in 13 you're again trying to change name. Name is final. Execute. I will get line number 13. See, I remove 13. Now there will be no error and all 5 names will be Rupam, because system.debug Rupam, 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 Rupam. No Sham, no Sham, no Ravi, no Ravi, all Rupam only. Because you said fixed. You said fixed. Final word. Final. If I say, now I say execute, no error at all. All 5 will be Rupam. Now I say final, final L. Where will I get the error? Line number 16 I will get an error. Because at line number 16 you are trying to replace L with 35. But you already said it's the final. Now you cannot replace. As soon as I click on execute, I'll get an error at line number 16. See, line number 16, there's an error. Final means fixed. If you don't put final, then the class can take data in, throw data out. Arthamainda? Yes or no? Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Tomorrow will be the last class of language construct, and then we will get into the OOPS concept. Inka chala syllabus undi.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Don't
sir.
think that so many things you have not even learned anything. We didn't even enter Salesforce. These are all basics, so that non-programming people can come and get the idea. E programming entity ela rastaru. That is what we have done now. All non-programmers able to understand. Yes or no? People belonging to non-programming background, tell me.
Yes,
111 concept. Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
We will meet tomorrow again at the same time. Online guys, I might be 4 or 5 minutes late going forward, so bear. Don't get panic, right? Traffic in the road is increasing. There is a khatarnak traffic coming up on the road, right? All the college girls and boys are out now. వాళ్ళు ఫుల్ తిరుగుతున్నారు రోడ్ల, రైట్? వాడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి ఎగ్జాము? ఇప్పుడేం ఎగ్జాము? రైట్? So that's it, guys. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye bye, guys. Take